Hi everyone, we're looking at the three France-made Opinel knives. They're traditional and has rich history behind them. So let's look at them one by one. So the first is the smallest one I have here. This one is the Opinel number 8. Let me zoom in for you so you can see it. So this is the model number 8. It's quite small, made in France. Opens very easily. The handle is made of wood, and this is how you lock the knife in position. You just rotate this metal ring here, and the knife is knocked in position. It's very easy, it's a very good design. Either way it works. And when you're done, you can just rotate back and just close the knife like that. So this is the Opinel number 8. Okay. The next one we have here is the model number 10. Okay, this one is the larger, handle is thicker, but the design concept is exactly the same. You rotate the outer metal ring and the knife is knocked in position. Okay, it's not moving, it's good. And this is how you close it. It's basically the same concept. Actually, let me measure the blade length for you for the model number 8 first. So for this one, the total length is about a 7.5 inch. The blade length is about 3.5 inch. That's for number 8. For number 10, the total length is about 9 inch. The blade length is about 4 inch. Okay. And let's look at the very last one. This is a fishing knife actually. As you can see, it's very long. The blade is very thin. And this, the model EFF15. It's also made in France. This one, the blade is very flexible, so you can work on your fish very easily. And this is how you lock the blade position. And this length is let's see. Well, the total length is more than 12 inch for sure. The blade length is about 6 inch. Okay, so let's look at them side by side. Actually, let me position this way so it looks better, right? Okay, so first the number 8 and number 10. As you can see, the number 10's handle is thicker in diameter compared to the number 8. And blade shape is a little different. Number 10's blade shape is more aggressive compared to the number 8. Well, this number 10 definitely fits better in hand. The number 8 is very easy to carry, right? All those knives, because the handle is made of wood, so it's very light. But also they're not made for like a hard task or hard work. They're good to preparing the food, but definitely cannot use them for split woods or chopping the wood, right? Anyway, they're very good knives. Especially they have a rich history behind them. This one's very flexible. Let's see the blade thickness comparison. So this fishing knife is very thin. so it's flexible. My favorite one among those three are number 10 because it fits better and it has 4-inch blade. Number 8 is a little bit smaller. It's lighter, but not that much. Okay, thanks for watching. I have the item links below. Thank you.